Hello, this is Ryan with the Linkasoarus training team, and in this quick video, we're going to share how to name your paid ads in Meta Ads Manager so the name shows up in Linkasoarus and is easy to find. So in this example where it says feed the babysitter, right here it says Dom Juan. This is the actual name of this Facebook and Instagram or Meta ad in the Meta Ads Manager. So how to get the name here to display accurately to make sure you can track your ads either by ad name or by date. This is how you do it. So you're going to open up your Meta Ads Manager tab. And on this screen, after you've created your ads, you're going to have campaign, ad sets, and ads. So when creating your actual ads, this is where you would want to, in the ad creation process, under where it says ads, you'll want to name your ad, how you would want to remember it and see it in your Linkasoarus account. Now, if you're running multiple ads for a variety of different of your locations, for example, if you have 10 locations and each location has a store identifier number such as 1234 and then 1112 and then 3757, all you would do is make sure all of the ads have the ad name the same. And then under the campaign name, when you're naming your ads, create the campaign name that is specific to that location. So for example, if location 1234 is running an ad to that specific Facebook page, then you could name, for example, the ad, in this example, Valentine's 1234, and then when you're going through the ad creation process, once you get to the ad, name it, in this example, Dom Juan. So then after every hour, about once an hour, Linkasoarus will pull, for lack of a better word, it's going to be reading your data in your Meta Ads Manager, and it's going to see if you have any new ads, and it's going to populate this name right here. Another cool thing is that if you go back and edit a previous ad and you change the name about every hour, that ad will then be updated here to make it easier to find. If you ever have any questions regarding how to correctly name your Meta ads to where they're easy to find and identify in your Linkasoarus account, you can always reach out to Linkasoarus support using the link in the bottom right-hand corner where it says help. And as always, link and soar with us.